guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Gramma in a box, my kids' favorite subscription. Each month you get 3 different dessert projects to do. On top here there's a card, as low as $20 a month. Tell a friend, Grandma does all the work, you have all the fun. And there's just some of the, oh, we did those recently. Those were really fun. Some of the little treats you can make. This is the September 2020 Back to School Treats. So you get the cards, tells you all the contents in the box. They are labeled. This is the first project, making little apples. Gives you instructions that are always very simple. And then all the ingredients are in the back in case there's any kind of allergies. Also have alphabet bites. And the third project is always decorating cookies. And it looks like there's various shapes. Let's take a look. So my icing, I have blue, just a little dried. Oh, it is punctured on the side. It's still savable, it's just a little dried there, so that's no biggie. Red, yellow, nice primary colors. You always get melting chocolate, so I have some white melting chocolate. Little green leaves, little fondant leaves probably, or candy leaves. Those are cute. Ooh, Grandma, I might eat these. These are the marshmallows from the Lucky Charms, and as a kid I used to pick out all the marshmallows and save them in a bowl, put a little bit of milk on them. Girl, I did hear that you can buy like a big bag on Amazon of just marshmallows. Maybe that's how she got that instead of picking through. So I haven't looked into it because honestly, like, I don't need any more calories or like incentive, but yum. There's some Tootsie Rolls and some little paper containers for project 2, I believe. Oh, how cute! Little school buses, crayons, big apples and little apples. Oh my gosh. Pretzels, some sprinkles. That one's a little loose. We got some blue, yellow, and red. Again, the famous, typical school colors. And some sprinkles of, oh, and these ones have letters in them. Very cute. And then some little cereal pieces, it looks like. And then she always gives you parchment paper so you can put your products on there. So as soon as the kids wake up, I'm going to insert the footage. We're going to make these because they are obsessed with this box. So here's the first project. I unwrapped 2 Tootsie Rolls and then I cut each one into 3 pieces. Then you can roll it out just a little bit to make a stem. Then you take the pretzels and you dip them in the white chocolate. And then you cover it in red sprinkles. And then the Tootsie Roll and the leaf will stick to it if you place it on the chocolate. It'll harden that way, and then they look like apples. Super, super cute. Then with your leftover chocolate, you add the marshmallows and the cereal pieces. And you mix that up. And then you put a little scoop in each of the little paper containers. And then you can top it with the ABC sprinkles. And then the last project is always the cookies, and Raylan started putting the icing, or the sprinkles on it before the icing, and then she put icing on top of it, which was pretty counterproductive, but she's 2, almost 3, kind of just let her do whatever. She thinks she's really decorating. So I normally do 2 or so, and then I let them do the rest. But you'll see both of them pretty much just splatter a bunch of icing on top of the cookies. So I was trying really hard to salvage them and make sure all the icing wasn't going on one cookie. So Raylan, like I said, is almost 3. So this box is a little bit too young for her. It's geared more so for kids that are slightly older. But she absolutely loves it. And I just let her go for it. And Jackson likes it too, but he ices just like her. There's not much different, even though there's like 5 years difference in them. their cookie decorating skills are kind of the same. So here's some more of the treats. You'll see Jackson was trying to decorate, I think, what are the crayon ones? And then here are the finished treats. So here's the apple once it dried. Very, very cute. And the ABC bites. And then the cookies in the background. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out the description box below. I have all the information for Gramma in the box, and make sure you take a look. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.